How has the software market evolved, say, within healthcare in the past few years?
This is a very exciting time to be, and we're very excited to be in this space at this time because of, I think you mentioned earlier, Mike, a lot of applications are going mobile. So when I started in the industry, everything was what they called client-server, or basically a data entry screen that was linked to a database system somewhere in the background that collected information. So you really had to be tethered to a workstation to do anything. As you know, now you can pretty much get information anywhere you are. And developing solutions to fit the needs of our clients and their clients. So our clients are the sponsor companies of these clinical trials, as well as a clinical research organization. Their clients are the patients and the investigational sites that are conducting the research. So we have, you have to keep your clients happy, they have to keep their clients happy, and it's all a working ecosystem. Providing solutions now that meet the needs and demands while still adhering to quality and security regulations is the challenge, but the output is what's very exciting. Giving somebody something at their fingertips now that they had to wait to log on to an actual laptop or workstation before is really fun to be a part of.
I was at an orthopedics office last week with a family member, and we were new to this practice, and at no time did we sign a piece of paper. They handed us an iPad on the way in, and I know exactly what...
That's exactly right.
You're once removed from that with clinical trials, but it just is, it's amazing how far even a doctor's office has come these days.
And that in the long run, that should speed things up. So it's allowing for companies to gather that information quicker and then analyze it quicker, which then turns around the overall timelines. Timelines get reduced, that reduces the overall cost.
So you all are collecting the data that these clinical research organizations would come up with?
Correct.
Okay.
We provide the input mechanisms for them to define how they would like to collect information, and then we spend a lot of time testing and validating the screens or the applications that they would use to put that through, ultimately going into some sort of database system that the biometrics or the statisticians would use to submit to a regulatory agency.